Hi guys! So I am Suzanne Jane Tagualo and I am here today with my group mates Jethro Euro, Jethro Maravilla, and Ramon Tupas. We will talk about Fibonacci numbers by Leonardo Bonacci, or also known as Leonardo of Pisa or Leonardo Bigolo Pisano. He was an Italian mathematician from the Republic of the Pisa, considered to be the most talented Western mathematician of the Middle Ages. The name he is commonly called Fibonacci was made up in 1838 by the Franco-Italian historian and is short for Filius Bonacci, or also known as son of Bonacci. However, even earlier in 1506, a notary of the Holy Roman Empire, Perizzolo, mentions that Leonardo as Leonardo Fibonacci. Fibonacci popularized the Hindu-Arabic numerical system in the Western world primarily through his composition in 1202 of Liber Abaci, or also known as Book of Calculation. He also introduced Europe to the sequence of Fibonacci numbers, which he used as an example in Liber Abaci.
Hi guys, my name is Jethro Euro and today's vlog is about the Fibonacci numbers. Heard about it? Let me enlighten you all. In mathematics, the Fibonacci numbers, commonly denoted Fn, form a sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, such that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones starting from 0 to 1. The sequence starts from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, so on and so far. Mostly, the Fibonacci is measured as the Fibonacci spiral, an approximation of the golden spiral created by the drawing circular arcs connecting the opposite corners of 6 squares in the Fibonacci tiling. Fibonacci numbers are strongly related to the Golden's ratio. Pinet's formula expresses the nth Fibonacci number in terms of n and Golden ratio, and implies that the ratio of two consecutive Fibonacci numbers tends to the Golden ratio as n increases. And that's it for small information about the Fibonacci numbers. If you want to know more, you might want to subscribe in our channel and don't forget to leave a like. And before you go, here's a little trivia about the Fibonacci numbers. Did you know that the Fibonacci numbers are named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, later known as Fibonacci? Thanks.
Hi guys, this is Ramon and today I am going to talk about the golden ratio. So, the golden ratio means the ratio of the two quantities the same as the ratio of their sum to the larger value of the two quantities. In the given example, the A is a line longer than B, which has a bigger value, and the B has the small value. Golden ratio is otherwise known as the divine ratio, which is based on the divine proportion. Phi represents Greek symbol for golden ratio, and it is considered as a rational number. It is also called as golden mean and golden section. The golden value, or rather than the value of the golden ratio, is equal to 1.61839888749894848420. How to get the value of golden ratio? The A is longer than B, so accordingly the long part is divided by the short part, which is B, equals to the whole length divided by the long part. A over B is equals to A plus B over A. So it is what we call the golden ratio property. So the phi is equals to 1.6180398874989484820. And A over B is equals to A over A plus B over A. So our A over B is now our phi. And our A over A is 1. And our B over A is 1 over phi. So therefore, our equation is now phi is equals to 1 plus 1 over phi. So how do we know the value of phi using this formula? Let us now test using the digits of golden ratio. Phi is equals to 1 plus 1 over 1.618 is equals to 1.618. Our process now is correct because that the value of the phi is 1.618, which is the value of golden ratio. That's all.
Good day guys, I am Jethro J. Maravilla and today we are at my house to look for the Fibonacci sequence in plants. We all have that one tito or tita or plantito, plantita, whom are very fond of keeping plants or gardening. And I happen to be living with one. So we will see how many plants here at my house has the Fibonacci sequence. Let's go! So guys, here we are outside of my house, and for our first plant, or should I say for our first leaf, we will see if it has the Fibonacci sequence. As you know, 5 is part of the Fibonacci sequence, and as you can see, this leaf here has 5 ridges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And because 5 is part of the Fibonacci sequence, because of 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And here we see this plant right here. Its leaves has 13 ridges, therefore it has the Fibonacci sequence. 13 is part of the Fibonacci sequence because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 and then plus 5 13. And over here guys, as you can see, this flower right here also has 5 petals, and syempre Fibonacci sequence man ini. And for our last 2 plants, notice how this plant has 8 leaves, and 8 is part of the Fibonacci sequence because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 and plus 3 8. And for the last plant, this plant over here has leaves that has 3 ridges. And 3 is part of the Fibonacci sequence because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 3. And it looks like we're done looking for Fibonacci sequence around my house through plants. I guess it really shows how math can be applied in real life. Thank you for going around with me today, and I hope you were able to learn more about the Fibonacci sequence.
So guys, that's all we have to say about Fibonacci numbers. Thank you so much for listening. We do hope that you have learned something today from us.